Hello, welcome to another AI tool. Today we're going to talk about Genmo. It's a video creation. It creates video from text with AI. I'm gonna say it again. I say it I think in other videos, but like these videos that I'm making here are no way to explain deep how these applications work. It's just to tell that this tool exists, what is the basic that it does. So in no point I'm showing this to the high capabilities of what this tool can make. So be aware when I using it that I'm far away from any professional. I just think that it's better just to put a link and explain and say like this is the tool and put some words to at least show to you what is the tool, how it works and how it doesn't. So yeah, let's go. Genmo, at least it's for free to try. There's a big community around. You can start it. I'm just going to show you. You can create text to video and you can search some images that they have, like for example, okay, let's put, I haven't P, shows up something with P. Okay, that's weird. That's also not the best, but let's put mountains. Maybe there is more. Okay, yeah. So let's create, and I don't want mountains, but I want an ocean with blue water and between two mountains. Okay, and it generates the image. So basically, I think what this creates it creates the image and then it creates a basically animation almost for the image, motion exactly. It has here you can see the research that I've been doing, and I think yeah. So full, it's what the payment in a way. You can use 100 per day. That is actually pretty good, and then 10 per month. It's also actually pretty good. Let's see, it's still yeah. So this is the image that was created. Actually, it's pretty nice. And okay, so let's say that you accept the image, and now to video. You can edit and turn water into watercolor painting, or change the color of the water, or add a silhouette of a person in the foreground against the blue sky. Okay, that's. Can we try to make maybe the water running? Or add, if we add a full moon to the between the mountains. I don't know. I actually no idea if this is if you want to exclude something, and you can add more edits to. I'm just add one. The length, the exploration. I think it's how much they want to create or not with your edit. Smooth. It's always good to be with 100. So let's see what it makes. In the meanwhile, what it creates, I can show you more thing. So how I do generate the video. You have it here. How it says. It says what the dynamism that we're talking before, and this is the price. And they also have this is the classic, and there's the other version that is gonna happen. I'm on the wait list, but it's still gonna be a Genmo chat that I haven't. I think you can work it like in a way like almost like a Mid Journey, and it help you create and edit images and videos. So let's see. Okay, so here is the full moon. It's still on 50%, so it's still working. Soon we can make the video or the motion of the video all created. But just to, I'm not gonna get also much longer with this. You can create, especially with this price, I think it's pretty easy to, you can create some videos per day or even per month for your projects and for your creations. Of course, the free has watermark, but I think for many cases it's not important. If you want to create something with 10 euros per month and you have the full possibilities of Genmo, of course that you can use Genmo and other tools, inclusive Midjourney, Genmo. It's pretty much there's a lot of possibilities that you can do. So yeah, so this is the video, and it's pretty nice. I have to say, like, if you think that I have no skill whatsoever to do that, we just add words in the beginning, some edit. I honestly, I haven't tried it before. These words I tried with other words. That was owl, nothing related to this. So it creates in the beginning really amazing video of, or at least motion of the video of the image that you create. So now you know, Genmo, you can use it free until some point, and the link is gonna be on the description. Bye.